Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 4 of our local SEO series. So in this video, I will explain about local suggestions, what they are, why they matter, and how to build them. First of all, what are local suggestions? Let's start it with the basics. A local suggestion is simply an online mention of your business. It includes your business name, address, and phone number, also known as NAP. Local citations can appear on directories, websites, or even social media pages. They tell search engines like Google where to find you online, helping your business show up when people are looking for services near them. Second, why do local citation matter for local SEO? Why are local citations important? Well, they help your business in three key ways. First, trust. When your business info is listed on multiple trusted platforms, search engines see it as more reliable. Number two, authority. Local citations on well known platforms build your business online authority. Number three, visibility. Having citations increase your chance of showing up in local search results when customers search for business near them. The next option is building local citations. Key platforms. Now, let's walk through some of the most popular platforms where you can build local citations for your business. The first one is Google Business Profile. First, we'll start with Google Business Profile. This is the most important place to create a citation for your website. Go to Google and search for Google Business Profile. Click on Manage Now. If you haven't created your business profile yet, click Edit Your Business. Fill in your business details, including name, address, and phone number, website, and categories. Next, let's look at Yelp. Yelp is a popular review site where customers leave feedback and business get listed. Number two is Yelp. Go to yelp.com and click claim your business, then edit your business details just like we did for Google. Make sure your info is accurate and don't forget to encourage happy customers to leave reviews. The next, Yellow Pages may sound a bit old school but still relevant for citations. It's another trusted directory where your business can be listed. Number three is Yellow Pages. Go to yellowpages.com and click edit your business. Edit your business name, phone number, address, and website. Facebook business profile isn't just for social engagement, it's also a great place for a citation. Number 5 is Facebook business page. Go to facebook.com/business and create a business page. Fill your business details under the About section, including name. Finally, consider listing in your business on local chamber of commerce directories. These are highly trusted platforms that boost your business credibility. Number 6 is local chamber of commerce directories. Search for your local chamber and find the join the directory or edit your business option. Fill in your NAP info and you are good to go. Now we are going to search for Google Business Profile. Just and search in the search engines. Just and search Google Business Profile. Then I'm going to get listed on Google. Then I'm going to start now. So you can create a Google business profile, including adding your business name, hours, phone number, email address, website URL in this page. Now we are going to Yelp.com, the most popular directory sites or citations all over the world. So go to Yelp.com and click on Yelp for Business. Then click on Edit a Business. Then you can edit a business of your uh, business. Let's start with your business name. You can now you can edit your business name, your business phone number, your business address, your business hours. It is your business website. Now we are going to Yellow Pages, yellowpages.com. This is the Yellow Pages site. Then we are going to three dot. In this sign up section, you can edit your business here. So what have we learned today? Local citations are all about getting your business listed on trusted websites. This builds your trust, authority, and visibility, making it easier for customers to find you locally. Final tips. A quick tip. Always ensure your business details are consistent across all platforms. If there's type in your address or phone number, search engines might get confused and lower your rankings. That's it for today's episode. Now you know how to build local citations and why they are important for your local SEO strategy. Start adding your business to these platforms and watch your local rankings improve. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this. If this video helpful, please like, comment, and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel.